This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdeman. Available now. It's all here. 2 full suites with large walk-in closets and baths. 2-car garage. Top-of-the-line finishing touches and upgrades: granite countertops, stainless steel silver and copper backsplash, recessed accent lighting, pendant lighting over breakfast bar. Top-of-the-line appliances including smooth top electric range and side-by-side refrigerator. Conveniently located just 2 miles south of the College Mall and another 3 miles south of Indiana University. For more information, review the details below or contact Brandy Holdeman at 812-323-1231.